Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brick Designs. So I've got another unboxing for you. So I got in the curated bead box for, I'm thinking this is January. And it is called Sparkling Snowfall. So I figured we could go through this and unbox it together, or unbag it as you will. And take a look at everything that we get in it. And I'm going to do this real quick. And then I've got another video that I want to do with you to redo this bracelet. I'm going to show you how I did it. And I had done one in a thicker wire. Unfortunately, I lost the video for this one. So I'm going to redo it with some smaller wire to show you guys like the beginner one. Anyway, to unbox the Sparkling Snowfall collection, I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to pull these things in one at a time. We can take a look at them. So the first one we have is a 39mm Apatite teardrop. And this, I love this. I've got to get some silver wire. I can see doing a really nice wire wrapped pendant for that. That is just absolutely beautiful. Silver wire is definitely a must for that. Next, we have a 14.5-inch strand of 8mm London Blue Agate. This is also very, very, very pretty. I can see this also doing a wire wrapped bracelet, maybe creating some links with that. But that's absolutely gorgeous. I'm leaving these in the bags for now. I'm not breaking them out just because I have two other boxes of stuff. I still have the December GGC's treasures to finish, and the curated bead box is already out. Next we have 7.5-inch strand, 3mm Apatite faceted round. And that's these. So these are tiny little seed beads, or not, they're not even seed beads. They're the size of seed beads. But look at the sparkle on that. That is just absolutely beautiful. And it's got the purple thread there, so I can see purple going with that too. So we may do something with that. I may keep that for some shibori, or just get another strand and do some shibori with that. Next, we have a 6mm Crackle Agate frosted beads. And so that is this. And this is white, which goes very well with that blue. I don't know if you can see it real well, but it does have some modeling in there. You can see the striping on that one. It's a frosted, but it will go well with the Apatite. That's very pretty. That reminds me of snow. So yes, I can see this being a snowfall. Next, we have a 7-inch strand of 10mm Tiger Iron. And I saw this in the list, and I wasn't sure what Tiger Iron meant, but I get it. It's like this greenish blue color with flecks of what looked to be copper or rust in it, but those are pretty. Not sure what I'm going to do with those, but those are absolutely stunning as far as the striping in it. Next, we have 7.5 6mm Moonstone. And I am looking for in Frosted Aqua. Oh, those are just, I think you can see that on the camera really well. Those are absolutely amazing. I love those. They have so much shine in them. The light reflects on those so well. I want to make sure those stand out in a piece. Next, we have 20 pieces of snowflake beads. They're hematite. And these are cute. These are adorable. I can see those maybe with that, and doing something with that. Next, we have 10 pieces of crystal faceted twist beads in slate iris blue. So that's these. And these are very interesting because they're flat here, but then they're also flat here. So I understand what they mean by twist, but these are really interesting and they're very, very sparkly. I like those. I can see those on a snowflake ornament, to be honest, but I don't want to do that. Next, we have a 13-inch strand, 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads. And so these are your standard bicones, but they're, you know, they're crystal, they're faceted, they're very sparkly. You know, it reminds me of when after it snows, when you look at the snow and the sun, there's like little diamond flecks. So that's what that reminds me of. Next, we have glass top drilled teardrop beads in crystal AB. I like these. I use these in Kumihimo. And I do have something I can show you with a Kumihimo bracelet when I get to these. We may do something with Kumihimo, but these are really fun because they're not drilled up and down, so like you would a regular drop. They're drilled through the top so that when your cord or your wire or anything goes through them, they hang down. And so I've done a Kumihimo bracelet that has something similar to this, and it's really fun. May end up doing Kumihimo with those. Next, we have teal-coated fan pendant. And I know I've got some stuff there that you can see, but like I said, I've got to clean up. These are fun. So those are cute. I can see doing something with those, maybe a pair of earrings, with some dangles in front of them. Those are adorable. Next, we have stainless steel laser cut triple snowflake link, which is looking for it. Oh, there it is. And I just picked this up. I felt it's curved. So this is going to make a great bracelet. So as you can see, it's curved. So I can see doing that, like I said, as a bracelet. You'll have to forgive my cuts and bites. I've been playing with bunnies. So yeah, so I can see that being a nice bracelet. Next, we have stainless steel snowflake cutout links. So that's these. And these are those are cute. So again, those could be a piece to an earring. They could be pieces to a bracelet. I'll probably do some earrings with those. Next, we have 10 grams rondelle spacer beads in 5x2. So these are just little round spacer beads. I'll take a couple out. So they're just little round spacer beads. I think I have some similar in my stash. I do like those. They make good space. They make good spacers. Next, we have 20x12 swirled toggle clasps. So that's these. These look fun. I'm going to take them out. So they're They have little swirls on them. A little more fancy than a basic toggle clasp. So those are going to be fun to use. Then we have 40 pieces of 6-petal bead caps. So these are your standard petal shaped bead caps. As you can see, I've got one there that I pulled out that's got like a little piece still attached from where they made it. That's easily filed out, but those are cute. Kind of tiny, goes well with the theme. We have a... Where is this? Brass snowflake. It's platinum plated brass snowflake charms, and there's 2 of them. Those are kind of sparkly, so they look almost like they're glittered. One side's a little more shiny, but still has the sparkle. The other side is extremely sparkly. I like those. I really like those. Those might be an earring for me. And then lastly, we have 1 meter of stainless steel curb chain. So just your basic, I don't know if I can get it up to the camera there. There we go. Your basic curb chain. And it's 3 millimeter by 2 millimeter. So, all right. So that is January's collection. You get a lot of beads here, so I cannot wait to use this. Like I said, I'm going to be reworking my craft room so I can have a little more organization, and I need a place. The problem is I need a place for finished items, because right now I have 4 bins of finished products. One bin is just necklaces and earrings and stuff thrown into the bin because I have to put them on ear cards and package them for sale. And I need to get that done so I have a place to keep them. Anyways, so this month's collection, Sparkling Snowfall. I can't wait to get started and see what I make with them. And I hope you stay tuned. And I know these videos are going to be getting pretty close to Christmas. So I know I've got one more video I'm going to be releasing before Christmas. But hopefully everybody has good holidays. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.